Okay, so this is gonna be what it takes to break through the front of the speeder hobo microwave. So, one rock from this high onto the front. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It survived. Are you ready? A little bit higher. 3, 2, 1. It survived. You ready? Big drop. Are you ready?
Smashing a Nintendo Switch.
It survived.
We're smashing a Nintendo Switch. Yeah, no. Someone already did that. We can't do that. Me and Jackson know that someone already did that. Oh god.
You ready? Holy crap. Survived. Ow!
Sounded like Speedy Diver.
Okay, you ready?
Sorry for the background noise, guys.
Ready? It didn't survive. So as you can see, this is what happened.
Look at the HD flat over there. That's also from us,
Granny versus HD flat.
which you guys should watch. Totally, a million percent. 10 out of 10.
Well, that glass.
Now open it.
But it still hasn't gone through.
Yeah, because there's still like the metal plate protection.
Do you think it could get through that?
Probably.
Why? Well, that was the microwave.
Smashing President's Choice microwave.
Okay, so yeah.